Imagine the vastness of space. It's an endless expanse stretching far beyond what the human eye can see, filled with countless stars, planets, and galaxies. Each one of these celestial bodies holds its own mysteries and wonders, waiting to be discovered. It's filled with stars, planets, and galaxies. The sheer number of these celestial objects is mind-boggling. Some of these stars have planets orbiting them, just like our solar system. Among these countless stars and planets, there are bound to be phenomena that we have yet to understand. Now imagine a faint signal, traveling for light years, reaching our planet. This signal has journeyed through the vast emptiness of space, crossing unimaginable distances to get here. It's like a whisper in the dark, barely audible but unmistakably present. That's what happened recently. Scientists detected a mysterious signal from deep space. This signal has piqued the curiosity of astronomers and researchers around the world. It's a rare event that has the potential to change our understanding of the universe. It's unlike anything we've encountered before. The signal doesn't match any known natural phenomena or man-made sources. It's a puzzle that has left scientists scratching their heads, trying to decipher its origin and meaning. The signal is a series of pulses, very faint, but definitely there. These pulses are rhythmic and consistent, suggesting that they are not random. They could be a form of communication, but from whom or what remains a mystery. It appears to be coming from the direction of Proxima Centauri b. Proxima Centauri b is an exoplanet that orbits the star closest to our Sun, Proxima Centauri. This star system has been a subject of interest for scientists because of its proximity and the potential for habitable conditions on its planets. This is a planet orbiting the star closest to our Sun. Proxima Centauri b lies within the habitable zone of its star, where conditions might be right for liquid water to exist. This makes it one of the prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. The signal was discovered by the Parkes Radio Telescope in Australia. The Parkes telescope has a long history of significant astronomical discoveries. Its advanced technology allows it to detect faint signals from the far reaches of space, making it an invaluable tool for astronomers. This discovery has energized the scientific community. Researchers from various fields are coming together to analyze the data and explore the possibilities. The excitement is palpable, as this could be one of the most significant discoveries in recent history. Could this be a message from another civilization? The idea of receiving a signal from an extraterrestrial civilization is both thrilling and daunting. It raises questions about our place in the universe and the potential for contact with other intelligent beings. Or is it something else entirely? There are many possibilities to consider. The signal could be a natural phenomenon that we have yet to understand, or it could be a new type of cosmic event. The mystery deepens as scientists continue to investigate. These are the questions scientists are trying to answer. The search for answers is ongoing, and each new piece of data brings us closer to understanding the true nature of this strange whisper from the cosmos. The journey of discovery is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. The signal, dubbed BLC-1, is a narrowband emission. This means it's concentrated around a very specific frequency. This is unusual for natural phenomena. Natural sources tend to emit a wider range of frequencies. The signal also appears to be drifting. This drift suggests the source is moving relative to Earth. This is consistent with an object in orbit around a star. Scientists are analyzing the signal's characteristics. They are trying to understand its nature. They are also looking for patterns. Any patterns might hold clues to its origin. The most likely explanation for the mysterious signal that has captured the attention of astronomers around the world is that it originates from a natural phenomenon. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and there are many possibilities to consider. One possibility is that it could be a previously unknown type of stellar flare. Stellar flares are sudden eruptions of energy on the surface of stars, and they can release a tremendous amount of radiation. Another possibility is that the signal could be emissions from a comet or asteroid. These celestial bodies can emit radio waves as they move through space, especially if they have a tail of gas and dust. It could even be interference from a satellite. With the increasing number of satellites orbiting Earth, the chances of picking up stray signals have also increased. However, none of these explanations perfectly fit the data we have collected so far. The signal's characteristics are unusual and don't match any known patterns. The signal's characteristics are unusual. It has a distinct pattern that doesn't align with any known natural sources. This makes it difficult to explain with known phenomena. The scientific community is buzzing with theories and debates trying to make sense of this anomaly. Some scientists are cautiously optimistic. They believe that this could be a breakthrough in our understanding of the universe. Could this be something more intriguing? Could it be a sign of something beyond our current knowledge? While natural phenomena are the most likely explanation, we must remain open to all possibilities. The possibility of an artificial origin, though less probable, is too tantalizing to ignore. Could it be a signal from an advanced civilization? Only time and further research will tell. The possibility of extraterrestrial contact is always exciting. However, it's important to approach this possibility with caution. Extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. While the signal is intriguing, it's too early to conclude it's from an alien civilization. To confirm an alien origin, we would need much more data. We would need to rule out all other possibilities. We would need to find patterns in the signal that suggest intelligence. Even then, proving it beyond doubt would be extremely difficult. Section 5. Echoes of the WOW signal. This isn't the first time we've detected a mysterious signal from space. In 1977, the WOW signal was detected by the Big Ear Radio Telescope in Ohio. This signal was even more powerful than BLC-1 and had similar characteristics. However, the WOW signal was never detected again. Its origin remains a mystery. The WOW signal serves as a reminder. It reminds us that the universe is full of surprises. It reminds us to be both excited and skeptical about potential alien contact. Section 6. Searching for answers in the silence. Scientists are now focusing on gathering more data on BLC-1. They are pointing more telescopes at Proxima Centauri b. They are analyzing the signal in greater detail. They are also developing new algorithms to search for similar signals. One of the biggest challenges is the sheer volume of data. Radio telescopes collect vast amounts of information. Sifting through this data to find meaningful signals is like finding a needle in a haystack. Section 7. The ongoing quest to understand our universe. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is a long and challenging endeavor. It requires patience, ingenuity, and a willingness to embrace the unknown. While we haven't found definitive proof of alien life yet, the search itself is valuable. It teaches us about our place in the universe. It pushes the boundaries of science and technology. It inspires us to keep exploring and asking questions. Section 8. The importance of listening. In the vast cosmic ocean, we are just beginning to listen. We are listening for whispers of other civilizations. We are listening for clues about the universe's mysteries. The BLC-1 signal is a reminder. It reminds us that there is still so much out there to discover. It's a call to keep searching, keep exploring, and keep asking the big questions. Section 9. What the future holds. As we gaze into the vast expanse of the cosmos, we can't help but wonder about the endless possibilities that lie ahead. What will we find as we continue to listen to the universe? The universe is a symphony of signals, each one a potential clue to the mysteries that surround us. Will we find evidence of alien civilizations? Imagine the profound impact of discovering that we are not alone, that other intelligent beings are out there, sharing the same universe. Will we solve the mystery of the BLC-1 signal? This enigmatic signal has puzzled scientists for years, sparking debates and theories. Only time will tell if we can decode its secrets. One thing is certain, the quest to understand our place in the cosmos is one of the most exciting and important endeavors of our time. This journey of discovery is not just about finding answers, but also about asking the right questions. The universe is full of wonders, waiting to be uncovered. From the birth of stars to the formation of galaxies, each discovery brings us closer to understanding the grand tapestry of existence. The BLC-1 signal is just one small piece of the puzzle. It reminds us that there is so much more to learn, so many more signals to decode, and so many more mysteries to unravel. As we continue to explore, we can be sure of one thing: the universe will continue to surprise us. Each new discovery, each new piece of data, adds to our understanding and fuels our curiosity. The future holds endless possibilities, and the journey has only just begun. Our advancements in technology are paving the way for deeper exploration. With each new innovation, we push the boundaries of what we know and venture further into the unknown. The next generation of explorers is ready to take on the challenge. They are driven by the same curiosity and passion that has fueled humanity's quest for knowledge for centuries. And as we look to the future, we must also inspire the next generation. The young minds of today will be the pioneers of tomorrow, continuing the legacy of exploration and discovery. The night sky is a canvas of possibilities, each star a beacon of hope and wonder. As we continue to explore, we are reminded of our place in the universe and the endless potential that lies ahead. From the first steps on the moon to the rovers exploring Mars, each mission has brought us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The future holds even greater adventures, and we are just at the beginning of this incredible journey. As we venture further into space, we are also reminded of the beauty and fragility of our own planet. The quest to explore the universe is also a quest to protect and cherish our home. The Milky Way, our galactic home, is just one of countless galaxies in the universe. Each one holds its own secrets and wonders waiting to be discovered. The future is bright, and the possibilities are endless. What the future holds is a mystery, but one thing is certain: the journey will be extraordinary.